Today our topic is cat reman. And if you have questions about remanufactured products, you're not alone. There are plenty of misconceptions. Maybe you think reman is the same as rebuild, or that you won't get any credit for a damaged core, or even that you have to have a cat core to choose cat reman. To clear up these myths, we've got our core expert standing by. Alan, can you tackle some of these common questions for us?
You bet. Let's take them one by one. First, what is remanufactured product? Caterpillar remanufacturing is taking cores and bringing them back to life. When a core is returned, it enters the cat reman supply chain where it's cleaned, inspected, salvaged, and ultimately remanufactured to its original specifications, along with the latest engineering updates. After it's tested, the newly remanufactured cat product re-enters the supply chain. We basically restart the product's life cycle, giving it the same as new warranty. So that leads me to a myth. Question number 2. Is cat reman the same as rebuilding? The answer is no. There are a lot of core rebuilders out there, and the main difference is they can't bring the product back to new Caterpillar specification. Cat reman has the original print specs, re-examines each individual component, and completely reassembles each piece of that component. The next question many people have is about cores. There's a myth that you won't get any credit if yours is damaged, but that's not the case. In many of our core criteria, we call out the difference between operational and non-operational damage. Operational damage, like a turbo that has a broken shaft or a cracked housing or a broken injector tip, occurs during normal product use. That's acceptable for full core credit. Non-operational damage, like fire damage or excessive rust and corrosion, typically is not eligible for full core credit. Hope that clears things up for you, Zach.
It sure does. Thanks for sharing all that great info, Alan. I know there are several other components where we accept competitive like-for-like cores, so be sure to check with your local authorized cat dealer for details on what's acceptable for your specific core.